welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladessa. You spell that L-A-D-E-S-S-A. L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the D to the Ladessa. What's good? I want to thank you so much for stopping by. If you are one of my regular schmegulars, what it do, boo. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I thank you so much for stopping by. I have a huge smile on my face. I'm so excited about this video, and not for the reasons that you think based on the title of this video, but I am really excited about this video. So I am filming this video on the long Thanksgiving weekend. What I am thankful for is you and all that you do and all that you bring to my life by stopping by here and hanging out with me. A fun fact, if you know where I got my little jingle from, you know that I got that from the TV show Moesha starring Brandy. I'm not a fan. I shouldn't say I'm not a fan. I just don't get the whole vocal Bible thing. And not to be the old lady in the room, but Brandy, yes, she has the skills. No denying that. And I know that the late, great Whitney Houston gave her that moniker. But again, not to be the old lady in the room, but I would just ask Brandy to go up against a vocal powerhouse like Rochelle Farrell. I mean, I'm not saying, I'm just saying put the two in the room, and if you had $1.20 for the tickets, who would you rather? That's all I'm saying. All right, let's go ahead and get into this video. But I'm just going to keep using Brandy's little jingle. I'm going to use the sample and whatnot. All right, so you know how I live for Mr. and Mrs. Eyes, Lips, and Face, right? So they done got in the 420 business and gave us some Sativa. Is that what it's called? Sativa? Yeah, Sativa Cannabis Hemp infused. I'm stuck. No more chronic break for me. No, okay, no, for real. I'm not. I'm excited. But anyway, they've given us some hemp derived cannabis sativa face products and a lip product, Elf Calm Balm. And keeping with the theme, I have some other cannabis infused products that I'm going to be using. So, but first we're going to start with the eye, because I've tried doing foundation before eyes, and yeah, I'm not that good with it. So we are going to be using the Kush Queen palette today by Peachy Queen Cosmetics. I just dug my finger. You know what? We gonna get this done, and I'm not, this mess that I'm making is not gonna worry me. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, bet. We're good to go. I'm pleased. Are you pleased? I'm pleased with this little cannabis inspired smoky green eye. All right, so let's get into the other stars of the show. And we're going to start with moisturizer, because you know I stand for the Elf skincare products. All right, so the first thing that we're going to use is the Elf All the Feels facial oil. And I'm gonna put a little oil on. Oh, nice. Got the little, let's make it bring it close. Can you see the little weed plant or the cannabis plants at the bottom? So, I mean, come on, this is YouTube, so we gotta do the drip, right? I'm using a hydrating foundation, so I don't want to use too much oil. And I don't know if it's a, what, you know, like a drier facial oil. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's a little thick. So just a little bit is all you need, even if you're a dry skin girl like me. Yeah, this is a probably better suited for nighttime, or maybe it'll dry down fast. All right, and now I'm going to get into the Happy Hydration Cream. All right, I love their hydration products anyway. Feels really good. It actually feels just like the other Hello Hydration. All right, so for the rest of the face, we're going to use the Elf Puff Puff Primer. This way. Elf just went all out with the weed infused, didn't I? Yes. All right, and here is the packaging. It's a cream-based primer with a pump. So, you know, YouTube being what it is, going to pump me up. All right, and then I like applying my primers with a brush, so I'm just going to use that same little brush that I used for the putty. Prime underneath this chin. All right, so because my girl, you know my girl Riri, she loved all the smoke. So I said, why not give her foundation another chance? The Pro Matte or Pro Filter Matte or whatever foundation, that did not work for me. I could not find a shade, but I've heard raves about the hydrating foundation, so we're going to try that. Her stuff smells so good though. I think 410 might be a good, I'm sorry for putting that in your face, be a good shade for me. All right, I'm going to use the Elf Flawless concealer. I'm going to use Deep Chestnut, and I'm going to mix it to give me some brightness underneath my eye with tan. Okay, let's take down some of this shine. All right, now here's a product from Elf that I do not like. I do not like this concealer. Ooh. Yeah. It's not very, I mean, it gave me coverage, so I don't want to say I don't necessarily like the coverage, but I don't like the wand. I am loving how my skin is looking with the Fenty hydrating foundation. So, all right, Riri. All right, I'm gonna go into my Chanel powder and set the rest of my face underneath my eyes. All right, so let's go ahead and blush, bronze, and highlight. All right. For blush, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Cocktail Party. I'm just using the Andrea Renee brush set. This is her powder brush actually, but I'm gonna use it for blush. All right, the same bronzer I use all the time, the Morphe Glamour Bronze. This is also an Andrea Renee brush. This is her contour brush. All right, and then to highlight, my favorite highlighter to date is the Honey Drip by Artist Couture. Is this? Oh no, this is not Andrea Renee. This is Elf Cosmetics. All right, and then where's my sponge? All right, I'm gonna spray this sponge and then just kind of press everything in. Yeah, highlight. A highlight is popping. Alright, so I'm going to hop off and finish up my hair, smoke out the bottom lash line, my lips and everything, and we'll close out this video. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. So we have a couple of more cannabis infused things we're going to use before we complete this look. And I'm going to use the NYX or NYX Bear With Me Cannabis and Sativa Seed Oil Brow Setter. Gonna set the brow. All right, and on my lips I have Control by ColourPop, their liner. Where am I at? A little mini, whatever. It's a mini NARS. I think it felt like a liquid lipstick called, or liquid gloss called American Woman. And then I topped it off with the Rihanna Original Gloss Bomb. All right, so now we are going to set the face with the Makeup Revolution Calming Makeup Spray with Cannabis and Sativa. This is what it looks like. Smell this. Doesn't really have much of a smell. It feels good though in terms of calming. It smells good coming out of the thing. And I'm so mad at myself because when I purchased this, when I was coming up with the idea to do this look with all of these cannabis infused products, Revolution had two lip glosses that had the cannabis infused, and I didn't grab them. I grabbed another matte lipstick that I had been eyeing by Makeup Revolution and forgot to grab it. But since, you know, Riri liked the smoke, so I just put her on the lip. All right, you all. So I thank you so much for hanging out with me. Oh, overall final thoughts. I love the hydration moisturizer by Elf. Okay. I like the oil. It's heavy. I would suggest you use it at night. So I'll use it at night when I'll include it in my night care, my nighttime skincare routine, and I'll give you an update on that. I like the primer. I feel pretty, smoothed out. What do you think? How do you think? I think the Fenty foundation applied really nice and mixed well with my setting powder. So yeah, I'm not mad at it. I'll put it in the rotation. And yeah, what else did I use? I like the spray. It felt real calming on the skin. It kind of gave like a cooling effect. Not minty cool, but like refreshing cool. So I think this is probably something you can use. What's it say? Fix your look with this extra hold setting spray. This lightweight spray fixes your makeup for long-lasting wear, dries down to a matte finish within 60 seconds. Oh, okay, cool. So in the monitor, I look pretty blurred out, and I don't feel really matte, so that's cool because the Chanel powder is pretty matte. But I think because I had so much hydration and on the base, it's kind of, settling in, nice. But I don't know. I won't be able to do a wear test because it is 11:37 p.m. and I'm actually just getting ready to take a few pictures for the gram, and then all of this is going down the sink. But you see what I do for you because I love you. All right, so we haven't done it in a while, even though I think my last few looks have deserved it. If you are new, at the end of a video, if I feel like I really pulled a look together, we all come into agreement and say, we did that. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. We did that. All right, well, always remember to pack light because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we are gonna hurt our backs dragging all them bags like that. One more look. Okay. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hey. Smoke weed every day.
We on our War You Fam shit, you heard? Thank you, come again. Gang. Shitting me.